Two finished amigurumi side by side, one perfectly smooth and flawless, the other with ridges and holes. Look at these two. Same yarn, same hook, same pattern, but one of them looks clean and smooth, and the other one, every single decrease is showing on the outside. If you've ever stuffed amigurumi and you feel your heart sink when you see the stuffing staring back at you, that's not a skill problem. That's a technique problem. And we're going to fix that today. I'm Alicia of Little John Yarns, and before we jump in, if you love learning little crochet tricks that make a big difference, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the very next one. There's one tiny change that makes all the difference, and I'm going to show you how that technique is done in the round and where most people, even the most experienced crocheters, get this wrong. All right, let's hop into the tutorial. This technique will work with single crochet, half double crochet, and double crocheting on. Alright, so let me show you what the typical single crochet decrease would look like. You would go into that first stitch, pull up a loop, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, and you would have 3 loops on your hook, and you would pull through and pull through 3 loops. But this stitch is a little bit bulkier than the normal single crochet stitch right here. So we're going to fix that, and plus it pulls and leaves these little hole gaps in your work. And when you're doing amigurumi, you don't want these holes right here. So let me show you how we do the invisible one. Do you see how there are V's in your stitch? You have the back loops and you have the front loops. We're just going to be picking up these front loops. So for a single crochet, you would go into that first loop. Do not pick up a stitch or pull up a loop. Go into that second one. Now you'll yarn over and complete your single crochet as normal. This way, you're not pulling on those stitches like before, and your single crochet is the same size as the rest of your single crochets. We'll show you one more time. Pull up the front loop of the next stitch and the front loop of the next stitch. Now you'll yarn over and complete your single crochet as normally. One more time. Front stitch loop, front stitch loop, yarn over, and complete your single crochet as normal. And that is how you do the invisible decrease. This will work with any stitch. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please make sure you'll check out my other ones, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye guys.